Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you Chena, indigenous dairy industry products or traditional dairy product. Now let's start with what is Chena. Chena is a acid coagulated product obtained from the milk. The curd mass obtained when milk is coagulated with the organic salts such as citric acid, lactic acid at higher temperatures and after subsequent drainage of the whey and mass of the curd obtained is called chena. It looks off-white, tastes mildly acidic and has characteristic spongy texture. According to the FSSR 1511, chena means the product obtained from the cow or buffalo milk or combination thereof by precipitation with sour milk, lactic acid or citric acid. It shall not contain more than 70% moisture and the milk fat content shall not be less than 50% on dry matter. Milk solids may also be used in preparation of this product. Low fat chena shall conform to the following requirements. Number one is milk moisture not more than 70% and milk fat not more than 15% of dry matter. Further, it says that such low fat chena shall be sold in a sealed package only. Chena is mainly prepared from cow milk and used for preparation of varieties of Bengali sweets. About 4% to 4.5% of the total milk produced in India is used for chena making. Chena is used as a base for the preparation of a variety of sweets like sandesh, rasgulla, chamcham, rasamalai, pantua, chena murki, etc. Chena or chena is a product obtained by acid like koa. Chena is another base for preparing various milk sweets. Now the methods of manufacture of chena. It is two methods are used: bulk method and the batch method. For the batch method, milk is brought by the to the boiling by heating in a karahi over an open, non-smoky fire while stirring it with a stirrer. Then the milk is transferred to a coagulation vessels in small batches to which the required quantity of coagulant is added. Usually citric acid is used for the coagulation. It is added at the rate of 2 grams dissolved in the 200 ml of potable warm water per liters of the milk. When completely coagulated, the milk is transferred to another vessel through a strainer, cloth stretched over the surface of it. The process is repeated until all the milk is utilized. The cloth containing the coagulated solids is removed, tied, and hung up to the drain out the whey completely. Bulk method is the method milk is continuously heated in a heat exchanger and coagulated in another chamber in a continuous manner, followed by mechanical expulsion of whey. Next is the quality of chena. It is affected by the type of milk, fat percentage and acidity of milk, coagulation temperature, pH, type of coagulant used and its strength. To prepare the high quality chena, fresh cow milk containing more than 4% is preferred since it gives the desired soft body and also meets the legal requirements. The temperature of coagulation of milk should be around 85 degrees Celsius and its pH should be approximately 5.5. A pinch of calcium chloride is usually added to the coagulating solution before its addition into the boiling milk since it compensates the calcium in milk lost during boiling and helps in bringing about perfect coagulation. Lactic or citric acid is commonly used as a coagulating agents, and traders, however, use the previous day's sour whey, which brings about considerable saving in the coagulation process. Of late, some research suggests that the use of calcium lactate as coagulating agent. Then the procedure. The required quantum of milk is taken in a stainless steel jacketed kettle, or you can say it karahi, and the milk is heated. Coagulating solution is prepared by dissolving 2 grams of citric acid in 200 ml of potable hot water for 1 liter of milk. A pinch of calcium chloride may be added to the hot coagulating solution to aid in the coagulation process. The milk is brought to the boiling point while stirring it continuously with a stirrer. As soon as the milk boils, The heating is stopped. The coagulating solution is added in thin streams to the hot milk with continuous gentle agitation. As clear whey separates, addition of coagulating solution is stopped. It is better to wait for a few minutes for the completion of a coagulation process. Then the coagulated milk is poured over another vessel through the muslin cloth. The cloth containing the coagulated mass is tied and hung on a hook for the complete removal of whey from chena. After draining the whey out, the chena is wrapped in a vegetable parchment paper and stored for the further use. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.